Hi folks, this is Patrick Nury with Northwest Treasures and want to welcome you to one of our Geo Talks. I'm here in very famous Yellowstone National Park. You can hear a lot of traffic in the background because we can't go too far off the road. But behind me, what you're seeing is a lava that Yellowstone is known for, which is called Rhyolite Lava. The word means flow stone. And it does flow, but it flows very, very slowly. That is because it contains a lot of quartz. Quartz is what makes it light colored. The pink to salmon color, even light gray color in some cases, is the mineral potassium feldspar. And so this is a block of lava. It's unusual that we're able to observe it right here in the wild, because you've got to get closer to the core of the eruption of a volcano in order to actually see rhyolite, because it doesn't flow very far from its original location. So here it is, up close and personal in Yellowstone National Park, Rhyolite Lava. Thanks for joining us.